Hello, this is Murli Bharan. I'm starting my journey to go to Old Delhi, and we're looking for a African grey Congo male. As we already have a pet, Smokey is a female grey Congo, 4 years old. So I'm very excited. My family is very excited to get a partner for my female grey Congo parakeet, which we are having as a pet for last couple of years. Since our pet was feeling very lonely, we decided to get a male partner. So we have already decided to give a name, and it should be called as Rocky, because Rocky is the color, rock color, grey color. So we are very excited. So please follow me on my journey to buy the African grey Congo. So this is going to be my today's vlog. So friends, I've started my journey to get a African grey Congo male bird. You can see this is the cage I'm carrying. So I have reached my car, and very soon I'm going to start my journey for buying my pet. So welcome to the vlog. So today being a weekday and it's afternoon, there's less traffic, and I'm driving very smooth in Delhi, and I'm going to reach my destination in another 15 to 20 minutes, and I'm very lucky. There is no traffic. Planning to show. Usually in Delhi there is heavy traffic always. When people ask me what is the rush hour in Delhi, I always say from 9 to 9 is rush hour in Delhi, because there are around 5 million cars in Delhi. So I'm lucky. I'm cruising at good speed, and I'll reach my destination in another 20 minutes. Cheers. So friends, I've arrived at this Trans Yamuna near Lakshmi Nagar, and I'm going to meet this guy who's breeding the grey parrot. So you can see this basket I'm carrying for the grey, and I'm going to walk through this narrow lane. Driving at 8 number Gali Sultan Chidiya Wale, and this is the place I'm going to buy my African grey male, and Sultan Bhai does a lot of breeding of the birds, and this is the house where they're breeding the birds. आपका नाम? हाँ, रफीक भाई. ही इज़ वेरी पॉपुलर इन इंस्टाग्राम. काफ़ी लोग ने इनका वीडियो बनाया है, और यहाँ पे वेरी ब्यूटीफुल एक्सोटिक बर्ड्स यू कैन सी, एंड एनीबडी वांट टू बाय कैन कम टू दिस प्लेस. दिस इज नियर लक्ष्मी नगर. ये जगह का नाम बताइए.
लक्ष्मी नगर.
सो ब्यूटीफुल एक्सोटिक बर्ड, एंड लुक एट दिस ब्यूटीफुल macaw, one of the exotic birds. Anybody want to buy? It's a very high pedigree with DNA testing and high quality, and these are the come here.
ये adult piece.
Here adults and what?
babies.
Oh wow, wonderful. So they have their own feeds, and wow, wow, it's very exotic bird. You can see the Persian blue color head, very colorful, and these are the small ones, babies. They have been bred and well taken care, and it's an amazing place. Thank you, Rafiq bhai. So today I am here to buy African grey. This is Rocky, which I am going to buy soon, and it's a male grey Congo. It's only 3.5 months. 3.5 month baby. इसको हाथ में पकड़ना है, and Rafiq bhai is going to show you. It's hand fed now. It's going to be fed for another 1 month. And then it will be independent after 1 month. अपना फल फूल सब खाएगा बंद है.
बिल्कुल फल खाएगा, फ्रूट खाएगा, सॉफ्ट फ्रूट खाएगा, जो भी खाएगा.
सॉफ्ट फ्रूट, एप्पल, ऑरेंज, बनाना.
पपीता हो गया. बनाना नहीं.
नो बनाना.
पपीता हो गया आपका, और अमरूद वगैरह हो गया, सॉफ्ट, और आपका तरबूज.
Okay, thank you so much, Rafiq साहब. This is a beautiful pet to keep. It is the most intelligent parrot in the world. It can speak more than 2,000 words. And since I'm already having a female parakeet to Smokey, I got this as a partner. And you can look at this plumage. It's a red color, grey color. It's an original African Congo with DNA testing. Highly recommended hobbies and zoo. Sultan Bhai is the elder brother of Rafiq. And anybody who's interested to buy exotic birds, please come to Lakshmi Nagar and you can always buy all these exotic birds. I hope you enjoyed my video. Follow me on my Instagram. And with this, I'm going to close. This is my favorite bird. So friends, I'm heading towards home. African grey Congo parrot are very emotional birds. They're very super intelligent birds. They can learn more than 2,000, 3,000 words. And they speak like human beings. And only thing is they have to get emotionally connected to the family. They'll be like a child, a baby in my home. So the Rocky 4-month-old baby, male baby, is arriving with me to the home to unite with a new partner, Smokey, which is 4 years old, African grey female bird at home, our beautiful pet. So I'm looking forward that they both will adjust and be compatible and live as a great partners. And couple of years they will start breeding, and it will be a good companion because always it's good to have birds as a pair, so they don't get bored or they feel very comfortable living in the family as a family member. So you guys are very excited, especially my children Madhur and Madhulika are eagerly waiting for Rocky to arrive at home. And Rocky is resting behind the rear seat while I'm driving home. So see you soon. Finally, my new family member Rocky has arrived at home, and you can see she's very excited. And here is my beautiful Smokey. This is my female grey Congo, waiting to receive a partner. There is a male. We have named it Rocky. This is a young bird, very beautiful. Look at the black eyes, which tells the age of the bird. And this is our cute pet Smokey. Very excited to see the new partner at home.